Hello, I'm Tara.
And I'm Jill.
From livingonadime.com, and we are the authors of the How to Organize and Clean Your Home ebook series and Dining on a Dime cookbook. We're almost done with the series, and I finally got it right. These are in the description below. These are a few tips from our ebook series and from Dining on a Dime. Also, we got a whole cleaning section in Dining on a Dime. So, number 9 is keep on top of things. Keep on top.
Yeah. You can't let things get out of control. You get overwhelmed, you get stressed out, and then you just want to quit.
Yep.
You have to do, it's easier to do 5 minutes, 10 minutes worth of something and keep it under control than to see this big mess that's going to take a couple of hours, to clean up and do. And I think that's really the whole thing of staying organized. This is almost like staying organized.
Yeah.
Is to stay on top of it. I notice a lot of women, which I'm really surprised because I've never had a dishwasher to speak of, and women now have dishwashers, and I see this happening almost worse than ever, is mounds of dishes piled in the sink all day long.
Yeah, why?
And they put these mounds in because a lot of them then at the very end of the day, before it's time to go to bed, then they're washing this huge mound of dishes, dirty cabinets at the end of the day. And the next morning they get up and they start building this. We always would do the dishes after every single meal. It would take us maybe 10 minutes to clean up the cabinets and dishes after each meal. Even bigger meals, it didn't take that long with the kids pitching in and everything. Instead of waiting till the end of the day to do all of this cleaning, that plus the stuff gets stuck on. So it's taking you twice as long because you got these sticky, hard dishes stuff is stuck on your countertops and cabinets. Don't take a lot of people. They say, well, I work all week long. They'll take their laundry. They do all of their laundry all Saturday long.
Throw it in the washer at night before you go to bed. Move it to the dryer in the morning, and when you get home from work, fold it and start the process again, and you'll stay on top of it. It won't
However,
be so hard.
Do one load a day.
Yep.
Try to do one load a day instead of waiting to do 10 loads on Saturday, because it just wears you out with that amount of overwhelming stuff.
And if you are totally overwhelmed with it, take a day and designate, today I'm doing laundry, and get it all done. I mean, I see people who have probably 5 or 6 loads of laundry piled up. And they're like, well, even if I did 1 load a day, I'll never catch up. Okay, take a specific time or day, a Saturday when everybody's home and they can fold their own laundry and get it all done. And then every day do a load.
But you said get it all done. What I find happens, like with the laundry or something, is they'll get it put into the washer, but they don't get it moved to the dryer. Or they might get it into the dryer, but it doesn't get folded. Or they might get it onto the couch, and there it sits piled or in a laundry basket.
Yep.
No, you follow all the way through and get it all done. Your laundry is not done until it's put away in the closet or the drawers.
We won't mention that I have socks sitting on the couch.
I know, as we speak, from yesterday.
But yeah, and give yourself some grace. Okay, my socks have been sitting on the couch since last night. Big deal. I know. It's as soon as we're done doing this, we had to do it in the morning so Mom wouldn't be sick.
Yeah. I was going to say, this isn't normal circumstances. I'm only here for a couple of days. We're trying to hurry to get this stuff done. Yeah. And so anyway, there are exceptions to the rule.
But give yourself some grace, but not so much grace that you never get it done and make excuses. Yeah. There's a happy medium.
Because if you're sick or have babies, it makes a difference.
All right, check out our Dining on a Dime cookbook for more tips and recipes on cleaning supplies and that kind of thing. And our How to Organize and Clean Your Home ebook series in the description below. We have tons and tons of tips to help you get. And guys, these are practical. They're not, these organizing ladies drive me crazy. They're not organize every 15 minutes of your life type tips. These are practical tips that real people can use. And even if you're not a type A, everything organized, you can still have a organized home.
Part of it, some of it.
All right, we'll see you guys next time. Visit us livingonadime.com.
Bye-bye.